challenge here is to keep it fresh for the developers and to keep it something that's really exciting for them. And then a key part of that is to use what we know from agile development, and that is basically extend pair programming but into a one-day event.
So basically the entire team is in a room with the exception of one developer who is still on the East Coast and wasn't able to make it in here today. We're doing pair programming.
I actually live 3,000 miles away from the other developers, so actually it's great to be in the same room with them for once and to actually be able to work collaboratively.
When you imagine that there's another person that you're solving the problem for, you're more likely to maybe work harder or just think more creatively for a solution.
This is what makes people want to come to work and want to do what they do. We want to have the discipline that says we had the unit testing in place and we went forward just like we would do a normal development effort. What can we examine about our workflow and about our business logic that lends itself to this mobile model?
Nobody needs to tell anybody that that's an important platform for future development.
Let's go out and let's look at some usage statistics. Let's see, we'll do some reporting, like how are people using their site? What's the data they're extracting?
Channel account managers will have instant access to deals. They'll be able to approve and push those things out right away in real time.
Definitely an exciting opportunity and a challenge for me.
All in all, the table is set for a very positive experience here. Right now, we're digging through some infrastructure pieces on the back end and making sure we're still honoring the way that we normally do business with our code.
I'm kind of getting into just the challenge aspect of it as well, like that we've set ourselves this goal to achieve by the end of the day.
We're about 75% complete with our project, and it's only halfway through the day.
We knew what we wanted to get accomplished and laid out the steps.
Hopefully we'll get through some infrastructure pieces, we'll get a good merge point, we'll do some testing.
I have a feeling that the final 25% is going to be a much greater challenge. Success. It was, I think we got all the easy stuff done first, low-hanging fruit got out of the way. We're feeling pretty confident by lunchtime today, and then we started hitting a few roadblocks, but pushed through them.
We had all the individual pieces in beautiful shape. Getting them to interact took a little bit more effort than maybe we anticipated.
The team is in really good spirits. I think the sharing was very good.
One of the things I liked about the day was when we got to issues, how we tackled them and how the team divided and conquered, and it was a really good experience.
Nothing beats the face-to-face pair programming in a room with the whole team and the diversity that you can just draw upon whenever you run into problems.
To be involved with a bunch of developers, it was great just to see how they do their job.
We have a team in place that is capable of achieving a lot in a very short amount of time.
I would call today a success.